Cavtat is located on the west coast of Konavli, 19 kilometers southeast of Dubrovnik, along the Adriatic tourist road. Its economy is mainly based on tourism and hospitality, and less on fisheries. Today it has 5 hotels, among which the 5-star Hotel Croatia stands out, as well as numerous restaurants, cafes, souvenir shops, and a port for yachts and excursion boats. Cavtat is known for water polo and for prominent people who were born in it or are associated with it. Among them are lawyer and scientist Baltazar Bogišić, politician Frano Supilo, Bishop Vlaho Bukovac, and conductor Vinko Kalesić. In 1855, Vlaho Bukovac, one of the most famous Croatian painters, was born there, whose house we visited and recorded the following. The house of Vlaho Bukovac in Cavtat is an authentic museum, studio, and gallery where the artist's private life and rich creativity are intertwined. The permanent exhibition takes visitors through his childhood and early wall paintings on the first floor, all the way to the authentic attic studio, where his original painting accessories and representative works from the Parisian, Zagreb, and Prague phases are exhibited. The whole experience is rounded off by a beautiful Mediterranean garden, which served as an inexhaustible inspiration for the master throughout his life. The Franciscan Monastery of Our Lady of the Snows was founded in 1484 on the Rat Peninsula in Cavtat, Crkva Gospe od Snijega. Over the centuries, it survived a devastating earthquake and wartime destruction before being thoroughly restored in the early 20th century. Its church preserves invaluable cultural heritage, including the famous Poliptych by the painter Vico Lovrin Dobriković from 1510. The interior of the church is also adorned with works by the famous Cavtat artist Vlaho Bukovac, such as the painting Our Lady of Cavtat. Today, the monastery remains an active spiritual center, celebrating its feast day with special solemnity every August 5th. In Cavtat, there is also the mausoleum of the Račić family at the cemetery of San Roch, a masterpiece of Art Deco by Ivan Meštrović, on which the sculptor Juraj Škarpa, an important representative of Croatian expressionism, also worked. The interior of the Račić Family Mausoleum is an impressive masterpiece built entirely of white brackstone, imbued with deep spiritual symbolism. The high dome decorated with hundreds of relief angel heads stands out, while the side chapels and walls are decorated with mystical figures of saints, expressive depictions of Our Lady with Child, and portraits of family members. The play of light and shadow on the stone reliefs creates a dignified, mysterious, and harmonious ambience dedicated to eternity.